Here we have the 2021 Elevation BOURKE. The BOURKE is a semi-off-road caravan that can go anywhere across Australia. The BOURKE does have a DO35 off-road coupling, a toolbox, 2 solar panels on the roof, as well as 2 batteries. The Elevation BOURKE does come with 16-inch wheels, and the Alco Enduro cross-country independent suspension. It also comes with a grey water tank. This BOURKE is exclusive to this dealership on the ad, so if you've got any questions, definitely click on the ad and we're more than happy to answer them. Comes with a review camera as well. The BOURKE can be done in many different layouts and sizes. So if you're not happy with this layout on the video, do inquire and we can let you know what other layouts are available. When you step into the BOURKE, you can see that you do get a Sirocco fan at the bed. Nice modern finish. You've got your projector power. You've got your CD DVD player. Your your aircon. Your black tap and black sink. Your full oven. Your double door fridge. Your microwave. Your washing machine is located here. A nice bathroom. There's not too much you would definitely want to change on this van, as it's packed with features. Can go anywhere across Australia because it is semi-off-road. 2 sols, 2 batteries, grey. And all the lights have got USB points underneath there. So each light is a USB port to charge phones and iPads. If you've got any other questions, please click on the link on the ad and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.